Hi everybody, this is a review on this approximately 6-foot Android cord that I have. It's a USB-C at the end, which plugs into a lot of our devices, but you can get it with USB-C end or USB mini or lots of different connections at the end. As you can see here, because the cord is plugged into the adapter at the wall, the light turns green, which indicates that it is ready to charge. I really like that, just in case the connection is loose or something at the wall, you won't get the green light. You can also plug this into any adapter, or we have an adapter that has USB slots on it, and you don't need this adapter part. You can just plug it in right at the very end into a USB slot. Something else I like about this cord is that it's got a tie. It's rubber, and you can tie it, and you can tie it up and make it small. I'm having a bit of trouble with doing that up, but I usually can do it. The fact that it's about 6 feet long is really helpful. You don't have to sit right beside a plug or an adapter, and we have a few of them in a few places around our house that make them easily accessible.